What do you have? What are you bringing to the table? What's your contribution to African storytelling, to the world? They must know Africa is awakening. If you look around us, Africa is awakening. So sitaifuki Africa. Sitaifuki Africa. Zaba, 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 zaba. Zaba, 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 zaba. Zaba, 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 zaba.
I'm part of the group Tilo, the African Thunder, whereby ngicula isoprano. Guys, ngilalifike mhla ka-20 ngizojabula kanye nathi ke bekumnandi kakhulu guys. Ngifike namakhula box ekugcwala indawo kube happy kube mnandi sonke siphelele sonke. Ngicela nifike ngisupport Tilo.
Hello, this is Tilo, the Lion Queen Umhlanubanzi. I am your Nubian gypsy and I'm the lioness behind African Thunder. Sila 8 Deni, rehearsing in studio for the unplugged session on the 20th, as you can hear. So the style of music that we've worked towards, ngithanda music or captureisha ubuciko bamaZulu base Africa. Ngizalelwe emndenini half owesiZulu half owesiswati. Ngiyafisa nokuphuma kwamanye amazwe amanye ase Africa. Siqale ngeAfrican Thunder, iAfrican Thunder sayixubanisa mawilalela iyaxoxa ama-Africa indlela axoxelana ngayo indaba and pass down the heritage from generation to generation is via folklore. This current song is called Umhlanubanzi. It's made up of ithakazelo zakashangase ekhaya lami ngizalelwa kulona. The whole song chronicles the devastating and amazing things that our forefathers used to do and became famous for. Umhlanubanzi ngokubeletha amakhosi is a poetic acclamation to the strong backs of the mothers who carried the kings in the Shangase lineage as children. And here it goes. Enjoy! So Lolusugu is about celebrating, Lolusugu selinqumile is about celebrating amagugu ase-Africa. Ngayo yonke indlela niyibona ukuthi makuhlangene umndeni kuba mnandi kanjani emcimbini makukhona into eyenzakalayo. Abantu abesintu abantu abanesiqi simnandi abayi-expressa kakhulu ngomusic ngeinganekwane so besixube sonke. Basically storytelling. We are taking back African storytelling and putting it back in the hands of the African youth. We want to be practicing and perfecting our craft so that and celebrating what we're making with the people. We're involving everybody in the process of that creation so that, you know, as you enjoy it, as you listen, as you see it on TV, you know you're a part of it, so don't miss out. Do yourself a favor, you'll thank me later. Come again, guys.